My name is Mahmood Qureshi. I am teacher of PS Sheikh Mohalla Kandi, clubbed with UPS Kandi Mala. Today, 13th of May 2020, our topic is The Rebel. The Rebel is a poem taken from 7th class English textbook. The poem Rebel is written by D.G. Enright. D.G. Enright among the 1950 poets who rejected the modernist tradition. He wants to tell us about the attitude of people who revolt against the society. It is indeed a mockery. The poet has used a mockery style in the poem. The poet expresses that such people are against everything. They want to help their individuality. They are against conventions and creeds. In fact, they are fed up with the monotonous society, so they try to introduce some changes through their attitude and appearance. When there is a fashion to have short hair, they will not follow it and will have long hair so that the people know that he is not one of them. But when on the other hand, as the fashion is keep long hair comes, he will quickly cut his hair short in order to maintain his individuality. In every field of life, his behavior is same. In classroom, when boys and girls are given permission to speak and ask questions, the rebel will remain silent. But when the other are silent and listening to the lectures attentively, his complex of self-exhalations forces him to speak and thus makes him self-prominent. In this way, he also disturbs the whole class, but he is happy that he has kept his identity. He also displays his behavior in the way he dresses himself. When the people wear the similar dress to look decent, sober, and alike, he wears unique and colorful clothes for the sake of exhibitionism. And when there is fashion or trend to wear colorful and gaudy clothes, he will wear dull and decent clothes to distinguish himself. इस नज़म में शायर लोगों के बारे में बताता है, वो लोग जो सोसाइटी में खिलाफ काम करते हैं। यानी ये नज़म ऐसे लोगों के बारे में लिखी गई है जो समाज के बिल्कुल मुखालिफ होते हैं, यानी समाज के बिल्कुल मुखालिफ समझ जाते हैं, जिन्हें हम बागी कहते हैं, जो बागी होते हैं। शायर उन लोगों को तनज़ करता है जो बागी बनते हैं। शायर कहता है कि ऐसे लोग सब कुछ उल्टा कर देते हैं, ऐसे लोग अपनी शख्सियत ख़ास बनाने के लिए ऐसा करते हैं, जबकि समाज में इन्हें कोई इज़्ज़त या प्यार नहीं मिलता है, लेकिन तब भी वो अपने आप को ख़ास ही समझते हैं। समाज के खिलाफ काम करते करते जब समाज में लोग या क्लास के अंदर बच्चे अपने बाल छोटे रखते हैं तो वो लंबे रखता है, जब वो लंबे रखते हैं तो ये छोटे रखता है। जब वो खामोश रहते हैं ये बोलता है, जब वो खामोश रहते हैं ये बोलता है, जब वो बोलते हैं ये खामोश रहता है। वो क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं ये खामोश रहता है। जब वो खामोश होकर क्लास में सुनते हैं अपने उस्ताद को, उसके लेसन को, तो तब ये बोलना यानी क्वेश्चन करना शुरू कर देता है। ये हर बात को उनके खिलाफ करता है। تو جو لفظ اس نظم میں استعمال ہوئے ہیں مشکل، وہ ہے ریبیل، باغی، غدار. ریبیل کہتے ہیں باغی، غدار. Here a person who shows his disagreement with the idea of people in authority or society by having differently creates. تخلیق کرنا، پیدا ہو جانا. make something new especially to invent something. disturbance، پریشان کرنا. noun form of disturb which means to interrupt what something is doing.